So here's how you can delete multiple emails on an iPad at once. If you are new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. So I guess it depends on which mail client you are using, but if you're using the one from Apple, like the blue mail one, right, what you can do is you can select more messages like that. So you have some options, like obviously you can click on the three dots next to your messages like that, select them and tap on them one by one, and then click on the trash icon to delete them with just one click of a button. Or what you can also do is to use the gesture. I kind of like that, where I just grabbed the two of my fingers and just swipe down like that, and it just all gets selected very nicely. So even that saves like a millisecond there. So I kind of like that option, right? So obviously you can do it for any of your inbox or any of your mails added into your mail application. Keep in mind, however, that if you're using like different mail clients, for example, in Gmail, you can also select multiple of the mails by tapping the profile picture of the email and then just clicking on the individual mail entries to just select them all, and then again just delete it like that by clicking on the trash can. So it's generally very simple. It might slightly be different based on your mail client, but at the end of the day, you can do it like this. So let me know if it worked on your device. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hopefully get to see you later in the next videos as well. That is, of course, if you subscribe, so make sure you do that, and I'm gonna catch you later in the future tutorials. Thanks a lot. See you later.